Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Prometheus using basic auth in Grafana step by step clearly. To authenticate with Prometheus using basic auth in Grafana, start by opening your Grafana dashboard. Log into your Grafana instance with your credentials. In the left side menu, click on the gear icon to access the configuration settings. Select data sources from the menu. Click on that Add Data Source button. In the search bar, type Prometheus and click on the Prometheus icon that appears. In the URL field, enter the endpoint for your Prometheus server. Scroll down to the Auth section. Enable the basic auth toggle. In the user field, enter your Prometheus username. In the password field, input your Prometheus password. Optionally, if your Prometheus server uses HTTPS, ensure the TLS skip verify option is adjusted according to your security requirement. After filling out all required fields, click on the Save and Test button at the bottom. Grafana will now attempt to connect to your Prometheus instance using the provided credentials. Check the status message to confirm that the connection was successful. Once the connection is successful, your data source is now authenticated and ready to use. You can now create dashboards and visualize your Prometheus metrics within Grafana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.